Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sandy. I have here two different style pockets that I made. As most of you probably already know, I like to make quick, fun and easy projects, and these two pockets were definitely very easy to create. So I'll show you my first pocket. I made this pocket for my tag, and to create this pocket I did use a die. So that's how it looks like. And I also made a tag to go inside the pocket. I put a charm on the tag just to decorate it, and some trim, and paper punched a flower, and just kept that plain. So that just fits nicely in the pocket there. I also embellished the front of the pocket. And this is another one. I used a bird charm to decorate this tag. Also embellished the pocket tag as well. So that's that one. This one here doesn't require a die at all. I call this, I guess I would call it a mini loaded pocket. It was quite fun to make, and I'll also show you how you can make one of these. There are other crafters here on YouTube that have also made this pocket as well. So I just thought I'd let you know that in case you come across it on another channel. So this is how it looks like. I've added some bling, embellished the front to decorate it. These are the flat back bling that I used to put there. These are just some of the craft goodies that I managed to put in there. I think there is still room to put more, but I'll just show the inside, or show the actual pocket. That's how the pocket looks like. So that's it. These are just some of the goodies that I put in there. I've just put in some die cuts. I've also die cutted some dies, which are these ones. Oh, of course I've got to put in some tags and a mini envelope with a note card. So that's what I put in this mini loaded pocket. But I'll show you how to make this one first using a die. Again, it's very, very easy. So to create this pocket, I had to use a Spellbinders scalloped edge square die, and they came in a nesting die set like this one. I used the fourth one down, which measures 4 inches by 4 inches. So you run that through your cutting machine with some double-sided paper, preferably. That way when you run it through the machine, you get to see the two different patterns on the pocket. Okay, so I've already pre-cut my one already. You then just decide which pattern you wanted facing the front, and that pattern you place down. We then fold the two sides here at the let me just see, sorry, 1, 2, on the third point. So it's 1, 2, third point there, and then the third point this way, 1, 2, 3. So we'll go ahead and fold that, 1, 2, 3, just like that. I just got to press that down, so that way it gives it a nice fold. And then we do the same to the opposite side, 1, 2, 3, and then it's 1, 2, 3 on the third point. Bring that over and fold that. The next step is just to fold the bottom up at the 2 points there. So fold that up just like that. So just open that up, bring that one back in, fold that one over, and then we'll just apply a little bit of glue just to the this flap here, just to keep it down. You can use your hot glue gun. I'm just going to use my glue dot here because it's quicker. Just quickly put that on. Okay. So we just press that in. Okay, and there's your pocket. How easy was that? And that just fits nicely in there like that. Now to make this tag, I used a Stampin' Up! Tag topper punch, which is this one here. And that created the scalloped edge on the top, and also punches a little hole there as well. So I'll show you how it's done. You just grab your cardstock, slide it. This is actually 2 inches by I think 3.25 inches long. So you just slide that in until it can't go any further, and punch it, and then you get that pattern. And that's all there is to it for that one, and you can just slide that in and it's done. Now if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Punch like this, for example, you can just make your own tag, or you can use your corner rounder to corner round the corners. Or if you don't have a corner rounder, you can just leave it like that and just punch a hole in the middle, or just cut it at an angle on the corner here like that. Now take that little piece, bring it over to this side, so that way you've got a template to make it the same on the other side. And just cut that like that. And then you have your decorative corner, and then you can just punch a hole like that, and there you've got yourself a tag ready to put in. Where is my tag on? Oh, it's here, sorry. Okay, so they can it just goes in like that. And then you can just embellish the front of this pocket. So that's that one. Now for this one here, I'll just take everything out so you can see. That's very easy to make as well. What you need is, again, double-sided paper. You want your paper cut at 6 inches by 6 inches. And you can probably you will get 4 pockets out of one sheet of 12 by 12 paper if you wanted to use that. Or you can use your 6 by 6 paper pad. Okay, so 6 inches by 6 inches. Decide which pattern you want in the front, and that gets put face down. We just fold that over till it measures a point. So fold that in half. And then the next step is you just grab this bottom one here and fold that over till it meets the fold line that we just did, or the center fold. Press that down, and then we'll open that up. Now on that fold line, we'll bring this point here over to that point, so it just stops at that fold line that we did, and that should, and line that up, line your edge to the fold line. Making sure I'm in frame. Yep. We'll open that up, and we'll do the same to the opposite side. I know you probably can't see my fold line, but you just bring it over to, I can't even see it myself. Okay, there it is. Just fold that over like that. Press that down. Okay, so that's how you should have it looking like that. So we'll just bring that over that way, bring that one over on top of that one, just pressing this down a bit more, and then you only need one of these to fold back, and there's your pocket done. Okay, so that's it. Now you don't have to glue that down, it already will just sit itself where it needs to be like that, but I'll just put a bit of a glue dot on the bottom here so the flap doesn't keep trying to flip up. So I'll just put another glue dot there. These glue dots are fantastic. They just stick like pretty strong, just like your hot glue gun. Once you've stuck it on, it's literally stuck on. So that's that done. So that's how that's made, and you just need to embellish it and then add your little goodies in here. It's also nice, it's also a good little pocket for favours. I also made a larger, slightly larger one here. This one here I think measured 6.5 by 6.5 inches, and it's just slightly bigger, as you can see. And yeah, so that's how I made my 2 pocket styles. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and please leave a comment so I can continue showing you some more of my crafting projects, and please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.